And interestingly, we'll switch now to Samsung's launch with the S20 range, and I have to say, like, I don't know if you saw the prices on these things, but they're just as expensive as iPhones. I mean, a lot of it looked impressive in terms of, they've got cameras with huge megapixel counts and all sorts of things.
Is it 104 megapixels or something on one of them?
So it can record 8K or something like that, which you won't be able to see anyway because there aren't any 8K screens around.
I don't care what anyone says. I bet you that phone melts after 3 minutes of recording 8K.
Yeah, and goodbye battery and all that sort of stuff. I mean, good on them, I guess. Samsung is more on the line of pushing ahead and trying to introduce as many features as possible, and they may not all work, but they still put it out there. They've given, I guess, another option for the Android crowd to get excited about in terms of a high-end spec thing.
There's nothing as good as getting excited about Android as I'm an Android user. Oh, wow.
But the interesting thing, though, which was adjacent to that, is that they're kind of not as interesting as those flip phones that they promoted. Whether or not those flip phones actually have a utility, I'm not sure. But I kind of found it interesting that you could fold it into a half its size and then flip it out, and you get so you've got kind of a double screen thing. It's like
they're still having a lot of problems with them, but I would say in the next 2 years, flip phones will become common.
Yeah, because the new flip phone that they released definitely looked a lot more robust than that Galaxy Fold they released last year, which got recalled. So
you've got to start somewhere. I mean, I thought it was a bit rough, the treatment they got. I mean, you've got to start somewhere.
Yeah, exactly.